I'm in front of the Golden City Chinese restaurant here in beautiful Sechelt on the Sunshine Coast. So I'm going to try their Chinese food here in the city. And I'm checking all the Chinese restaurants in the area. So let's go and check it out. Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks.
You too. Yeah, I will for sure. Thank you. Wow.
Would you like a bowl with that as well?
I think I'm okay. Just gonna eat off here.
Okay.
Wow, lots of pork here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is a combination plate, $16.95. You got enough sweet and sour pork to fill up a whole order. Usually they get about half of that in Vancouver. You got some rice, nice noodles, and some fried rice. So standard combination plate that I've had since forever.
Look at that sweet and sour pork. So deep fried with a light batter. Just got that nice sweet and sour sauce infused into the pork.
You have other toppings. You can have sweet and sour chicken balls. You can have the beef chop suey. So standard fare in a lot of Chinese Canadian restaurants.
Look at these chow mein noodles. So traditional noodles, they just steam the noodles and I put a little bit of chicken on the top. Ooh, look at that.
Here you are.
Look at that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, that smells good.
Yeah.
Wok hei, wok hei.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else you need from me?
I'm fine.
Elizabeth?
I'm fine.
All right,
Thank
just
you.
be careful.
Yeah.
The inside metal part is
Yeah.
hot, obviously.
Okay. Yeah, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Look at that. See the steam come out there and you hear the sizzling sound. So you got some nice chicken here. You got some broccoli. You got onions, celery.
And the aroma from the sizzling chicken on the hot plate, I could smell it as it left the kitchen. So when you have a good wok hei, the sear flavor comes right through, and you can actually smell it, the fragrance, the aroma, before it arrives at your table. So you see the nice chicken pieces here with the black bean sauce. Look at that, look at that. Ooh. Chicken is so tender, the taste permeates through my whole mouth.
And on a sizzling pot, so they heat up the sizzling pan. So they heat up the fry pan, so you get the sizzling sound. Thank you. Huh?
You got nice broccoli. So crunchy. With a black bean sauce.
So this is the sizzling chicken on the heated iron plate.
So this is the boss of the Golden City restaurant here for the last 18 years. So 你多幾時嚟㗎？多
我嚟呢個埠有20幾年。
Okay. So he's been here for over 20 some years. So this restaurant only has the buffet on Sunday. 印度過慶 Sunday 嘛？
好嘅。
So pretty busy for the Sunday buffet. Yeah, so like in Vancouver, we don't have buffets anymore. I was hoping I'd come in here for a buffet, but they only have it on Sunday. 佢哋啲韓餐係啲叫時佢啲North American style 嚇。
不過我哋都有個。
佢哋有 also
有嘅我哋。
佢呢個很多佢哋很多 Hong Kong style.
Hong Kong style.
Okay. So this restaurant serves the North American traditional Chinese food, like the sweet and sour and the fried rice, chop suey. But they also have the menu for the Hong Kong style. So it has a bit of both. Thank you, Ming.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you in your restaurant.
Thank you very
I'm going
much.
to come back for the buffet next time. Come
Okay,
through.
good.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care.
Did you notice that wasn't smorgasbord more often before COVID?
Oh, for sure.
Like how many times before? Like a few days a
Well,
week?
we've only ever had ours on Sundays.
Okay.
Yeah. But I noticed, like, just in general speaking, the other restaurants in the city and stuff like that, they just don't have the smorgasbord.
Okay.
A lot of places don't
Yeah, I
have it
just came back
anymore.
from Calgary and like Alberta, Saskatchewan. Some restaurants they completely
Yep.
since COVID haven't had
Yep.
smorgasbord.
It took us a long time, even after they said technically people could come back into restaurants,
Yeah.
we still did only takeout and
Okay.
delivery for like probably another 4 or 5 months after that.
Really? Yeah.
And then even when we opened up dine-in, we didn't start the smorgasbord for another 4 or 5 months. So we had that closed right up until like last year in June or something.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. It seems like I guess dine-in has been slow, right? Has it come back yet, or some?
Not in the same way as it was before.
That's like everywhere.
Yeah.
Like
People
everybody.
just got used to it, right?
Yeah. Well, myself.
He's a Kwan, and I'm a Sido. In China, in that village, we're enemies. a long
No.
time ago. But not anymore, right?
Not
Long
anymore.
time
Well,
ago.
that's good.
Yeah, we were always competing and everything.
Ah.
That's funny because I remember I heard somewhere, like if they're fighting in a village in China, even in like San Francisco or America, they're doing the same thing.
They're doing the same thing. Well, hopefully that's not the case anymore, right?
No, we're friends now.
Oh, good. 'Cause
Just a little unimportant history.
Ming is like the opposite of a
Oh,
fighter.
nice guy,
so,
super nice guy.
he's
Thanks
super
for
nice.
getting him here. He's a nice guy. I talked to
Yeah.
him.
Yeah, he's
Real
great.
minded.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So this is sweet and sour chicken with a tangy tomato sauce and fresh tomatoes from my garden. Enjoy. These are celebrity tomatoes. These are easy to grow. Takes about 65 to 70 days. So you have a real nice tomato here. These are early grow tomatoes. They're really juicy tomatoes, really easy to grow as well. So here we have 2 nice juicy tomatoes. We're going to cut the tomatoes into wedges, or you can cut them into smaller pieces, whichever way you like. For this recipe, we're using 3 chicken breasts, or you can use 3 chicken thighs, or a combination of the 2. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I like to cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes. Now we're going to beat 2 eggs in a large bowl. We're going to put the chicken in the bowl, so make sure the eggs will coat each piece of chicken. In another large bowl, put 5 to 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, so the egg will bind the cornstarch to each piece of chicken. In a pot, preheat 2 to 3 cups of peanut oil or other cooking oil at medium to medium-high heat. Cook 2 to 3 pieces of chicken to make sure the temperature is right, so you can see the bubbles when you deep fry the chicken. So as I said before, make sure you coat each piece of chicken in the cornstarch, and the chicken will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook each piece. When the chicken is cooked, put the chicken pieces onto paper towels to soak up some of the oil. For more crispy chicken, deep fry the chicken twice. So just let the chicken stand for a few minutes and deep fry the chicken again in small batches. To make the sauce, preheat a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use peanut oil. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Now we're going to add 1 chopped onion. So onion is an aromatic, so it'll bring out some nice flavor in the sauce. So just grill the onions for a few minutes, and then add a cup of water or more if you want more sauce. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I like to use the natural sea salt. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, or if you have tomato sauce, you can use that.
I like to add a tablespoon of HP sauce or lean parent sauce for added flavor. To give the sauce a nice rich red color, I use a natural ingredient, which is the beet powder. So put a teaspoon of beet powder in your sauce. To sweeten the sauce, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use regular white sugar. For the sour part of the sauce, I'm going to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of black vinegar. You can use regular white vinegar if you like, but black vinegar has more complex flavor. I like my sauce more sour than sweet, so I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar adds some nice flavor. For color and texture, I'm going to add half a cup of chopped green pepper. To thicken the sauce, make a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 of a cup of water. And then you add your tomatoes. So if you want more tender tomatoes, add the tomatoes in earlier. Add the chicken in just before serving. This way the chicken won't get soggy. Then make sure each piece of chicken is coated with this delicious sauce.
There you have it. Sweet and sour chicken with fresh tomatoes from my garden. Enjoy.
Let's try this sweet and sour chicken. It's got the nice sweet and sour tangy sauce. Wow, that sauce is really good. You haven't tried it.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.